Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to set a page as home page on WordPress. For example, this is my home page at the moment. If I would like to change the home page, all I would need to do is go into my WordPress admin dashboard. Once here, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to be selecting settings. After selecting settings from the left-hand menu option, from there, you're going to select reading. So you're going to tap on reading. Then you'll see the option your home page displays and you're going to be selecting a static page. Then from there, you can select the home page. So by tapping on home, let's say for example, I would like to set another page as my home page. So let's say for example, I want to use the contact us page. I can tap on contact us. Then after doing that, I'm going to tap on Save Changes. After doing that, if I were to go to the top left-hand corner and tap on Visit Site, you'll realize that the home page has changed. So let me simply refresh the page right here.